So you like me, you have a hobby or an activity where you always need a rotary tool. You're always either polishing something, cutting something off, but you have a rotary tool addiction. So here's my answer. I believe this is a one-stop shop answer. So in this box from Fanttik should be really good cordless answer to my problem. Let me show you how that problem works. So this is what the problem looks like in my life. Not one, not two, but 3 different Dremels, because I just collect them. I use them so much. You see this giant big old mess? I am hoping that I can replace it with this much more efficiently, but we're only gonna know once we test it out. So let's put this old school stuff away, try out some new technology. All right, I love this part. Checking out new tools, more power. So I do need to tell you, this was provided to me by Fanttik to play with, and I'm gonna say thank you in advance, but honestly, they give me no instructions. They reached out, they said, we've seen your content, we love what you do, will you just share it with them? And I'm like, sure, send it and I'll share it with them. So I have no idea whether I'm gonna like it or not, but I know in the past I have enjoyed Fanttik products immensely. Here is a user manual, which I am not gonna read, but it does come with it. USB wire to charge it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on one second. Stop the bus. Stop the whole speech. Check this out. How cool looking is that? Is that a piece of coolness or what? Just the look of it alone. So then it says press here. Out comes the tool. I have not charged it. Press down firmly to set speed. Hold on. Let's get the sticker off here so we can press firmly and set the speed. Look at that. I have to show you this. This is so exciting. Look. Oh, look, sequential LED lights. Nothing makes this boy happier than sequential LED lights. So let's see. I'm gonna hold it up to the microphone so you can hear it. Ready? Let's turn it on. Press the button. And then you can press the button to increase the speed. It's top speed. Got LED lights so you can see where you're working. Let's see what kind of attachments come with it in this cool kit. This is freaking so cool. Now I'm gonna say already, this is not gonna replace those other tools because this is not beefy enough. All right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, there's actually a link on the screen if you want to get this, or if you're watching on TV, new feature, there is a QR code. Just take a picture of that QR code, click on over, get this right off of YouTube Shopping. It is a great way to get stuff. So I frequently, the most common thing that I use it for is a cutoff wheel. So this is not going to be the tool for the cutoff wheel, but for when I'm deburring things and fixing things on here and smoothing out broken plastic and that kind of stuff, this is going to be spot on perfect. So here are the different stones. You can see the different stones that it comes with. Also comes with, oh, it spins. Look. How freaking cool is that? We got drill bits. Oh look, I see it. This is the mount for the cutoff wheel. Should we try a cutoff wheel? How do we get it out of here? See, this is how real this is. I haven't even tried this to figure out how to get it out. All right, so we got the cutoff wheel. It's interesting that it doesn't come with a cutoff wheel itself, but your man Doug has a lot of cutoff wheels, so that's not an issue. Let's get a cutoff wheel. Install that there. Tighten that down. You guys out there will know what I'm talking about. Normally it comes with the like a little tool that has like a open end wrench on one side and a little teeny screwdriver on the other for this thing. Probably should have charged it before starting all this, but we're on our way down the road, so we're not going to charge it. Okay, we got the rotary tool with the cutoff wheel. We need to cut something now. Now, unfortunately, the beautiful Miss Nicole, so that kind of limits the things that I can kind of cut up. I was thinking of cutting up the workbench here. I thought that would be kind of fun, but yeah, as you can see, that's not going to happen. She's donating an RC car part. Ramp.
You're really going to cut it?
Just going to cut a little piece off.
Oh, okay.
My wife said to cut off the ramp. Comment below if you know what my wife's gonna say once we start this, because I already know what she's gonna say. My ramp is a little smaller than it used to be. So anyway, as always, Fanttik is fantastic. You should absolutely get this for yourself. Honestly, I told you cutoff wheel is not really what it's designed for, but all these freaking things.
What?
Uh-oh, the wife saw.
It's like a Dremel set.
That's what it is. I told you.
I love it.
I know you love it. Anyway, you should definitely get this. As I said, there's a link here on the screen and one down below. Please use those, helps out the channel a little bit. If I've added some value, pretend this is my thumb, like the video, follow the channel, smash the hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any additional comments, if you want to know, actually, please vote in the comments. Should I keep this for myself or should I actually give it to the beautiful Miss Nikki, who is sitting here oogling over it? What should I do? Put it in the comments. We'll let you decide whether the beautiful Miss Nicole gets it or whether it gets to go with the rest of the rotary tools down there. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.